Along doing the course, I built so much confidence and became so aligned with myself that I kind of just knew that I needed to just dive in the deep end and just stop all of this procrastinating and just do what was right for me. But I've learned boundaries and barriers, like dropping my barriers, but keeping my boundaries up. And I actually find that those relationships are now stronger because we've built respect. It is learning a way of living with yourself and living with other people and understanding, just knowing myself now, just knowing who I am and knowing what I want to be and what I want to do. It's not a job, it's a lifestyle.
With your help, it's basically opened doors for me. It might not make sense to you, but it certainly makes sense to the other person. And trust your instincts on what you're being told. I felt quite at home doing it. It was like I do it every day. I guess it's the big confidence thing with me. With your help now, I can really communicate with them, and the fact that I can be a voice for the animals, you've got everything to gain. It's a whole new world in what you can do to help. I highly recommend it.
It was so good. There's nothing about it I didn't love. Definitely entity clearing, learning about my human design, but definitely card reading, actually learning that I've got what it takes to just do it. And like you said, it is as easy as I think it is. Just learning to trust yourself is just probably the hardest thing out of everything. And once you start doing that, it all just starts falling into place. I feel a lot more confident, like going and sitting down with my cards and just chilling and just knowing what I'm saying is right, like, without being taught. Wouldn't have had a clue what to do. I think I've become a lot more mindful. Definitely just do it. You can do it, just do it.
I knew I was here to do things. I just didn't know what that was. But your programs have allowed me to know my gifts and use them my way. Just have more tools to know what's happening and be able to clear it if it's required. I stepped in from being this really unsure person of who I was, and now I just know when I'm in my energy and I'm myself. And in my business, I can see where my future's going in my business. It's exciting. It's changed how I look at myself and how I look at other people. Wow, this is what I want to do. This is my gift. Being in your vortex and being with people in the program that understand you and support you all the way, and being able to really release some of those blocks that hold you back. That mediumship is about learning how to clear your space and be clear in your energy. It's made such a huge difference to my family. So just say thank you, and I'm excited for the future, and I can't wait to see what comes next.
I started to actually realise I did have a gift of some sort that I was able to tap into, that I was learning how to channel, and I didn't even realise that I was doing it. Learning that what resonates and what's coming through, it doesn't need to make sense to me. It makes sense for someone else. Energy leads in money, people that are around me, work, where is my energy going, and what could I do to actually set boundaries? Learning that it's okay to say no. Like you said, the unsexy work is what led me anyway to feel more in alignment. I also felt cleaner and ready to get forward. But the next step, would I say I feel lighter, more in control? I 100% would definitely recommend doing the course.
I don't have that fear anymore. I'm now okay to actually sit there and tap into people. Magnificent Mediumship has actually guided me to explore it further. I never really thought I would fully delve into it, but I'm glad Magnificent Mediumship has given me the tools to actually be confident enough to be able to delve into it. As long as you're doing the tools that you're being given, that fear's just going to go, because you're going to learn how to work through that fear. There's so much support that the other people on Magnificent Mediumship give you as well. You're doing it with so many other people that are on the same journey as you. Being around like-minded people, you are who you hang with. These programs are amazing. They've really helped me and everyone else around me as well.